Physical infrastructure security. Physical infrastructure security is a broad term that refers to protecting persons and property from harm. Physical security involves using multiple layers of systems such as CCTV surveillance, locks, access control, fire protection, etc., to keep unauthorized persons away while protecting safety and well-being. The three main components of physical security are access control, surveillance, and testing. Implementation, improvement, and maintenance are required to ensure the continued success of a physical infrastructure security program. Access control. Security fences, gates, walls, lighting, and doors all act as intrusion deterrents. These are usually the first line of defense for many physical infrastructure security systems. Surveillance. Surveillance is one of the most crucial physical security components for both prevention and post-incident analysis. Security surveillance, in this case, refers to technology, personnel, and resources that organizations use to monitor activity at different locations or facilities. Enterprise security video surveillance plays a crucial role in safeguarding premises from unauthorized access. CCTV or closed-circuit television video monitoring is the most common security monitoring system. It provides visual data that helps security personnel detect and defend against attackers more quickly than other technologies can. Testing. Active testing is the only way to ensure that a company's physical security protocols will be effective when disaster strikes. Disaster recovery plans, for example, center on the quality of these policies and procedures, how well a company identifies, responds to, and contains threats.